welcome to Unified Study. So here in this video we are going to discuss about highest response ratio next. This was a question of UGC NET December 2024 where most of the student was getting confused. I will explain you each and every point, how to do it, how to solve it, what is the meaning of highest response ratio next. If you are preparing for UGC NET, then also it is important for you. If you are preparing for GATE or any other exam, this is a very important. So try to watch, and if you are watching in YouTube and you are new to this channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all latest update notification and to be connected with us to learn in depth computer science and definitely to get others also. So here you can see that first of all, what is HRRN, highest response ratio next. Highest response ratio next means actually here we are calculating the response ratio. Here is the theory. I am not going with theory. You can pause it and you can go through the theory. Here response ratio we are calculating like this. That is W plus S divided by S. What is W? W means waiting time so far. Then S means the burst time. In this way each and every time slot, actually we will see that when there is no one, when there is only one process, so no need to think, directly as per the arrival time it will come. Any algorithm whenever you are doing, first of all you have to check the arrival time when anyone is not there. If multiple processes there, like 2 process, 3 process together, then you have to calculate the response ratio. After that, which one is the highest one, according to that you will take it. This is highest response ratio next. Now let's come here. First we will solve the question, and here another thing also they ask here, weighted turnaround time. There is 3 things we know. One is called turnaround time, another is called completion time, another is called waiting time. Now what is weighted turnaround time? First of all let me tell you completion time. What is called completion time? Whenever the process is completing, that is called completion time. Okay, if you did not cover FCFS, SJF, then try to cover it. These all the videos are already there in this channel. So this is little bit high level. So completion time means where you are doing burst time minus arrival time. That is your completion time. Right? Is it? No, it is not your completion time. Here actually through the NAT chart, whenever you are doing NAT chart, then you will get the completion time. Turnaround time means completion time minus arrival time. Okay. And what is waiting time? Waiting time means you will get turnaround time minus burst time, that is waiting time. Then what it is? This is asking you weighted turnaround. Weighted turnaround means here this is the formula of weighted turnaround time, that is Ti by Ri. What is Ti by Ri? Actually in simple word, turnaround time divided by burst time whenever you are doing, because you can see that weighted turnaround time takes into the account the run time of each job. What is the run time of each job? So total turnaround time whenever you are calculating, divide by the time, burst time whenever you are doing, then you will get the weighted turnaround time. So let's solve it, then you will understand. One by one I am solving. First of all we will do the NAT chart, that is the first thing. So I will start with 0. In time 0 who arrived? Only process 1 arrived. You cannot do anything. Just take the process 1, and it is non-preemptive version. This is not preemptive. This HRRN is always working as non-preemptive. So P1 is coming. P1 will complete the task as the burst time is 5. So it will complete till 5. This is done. Now the time is 5. In this time slot who arrived? You can see this is also arrived. This is also arrived. This is also arrived. P2, P3, P4. This processes arrived. Now we have to calculate the response ratio for all these processes as per the time slot 5, because there are multiple processes available. So we are calculating as per time slot 5, what is the response ratio of P2? How to calculate? Time slot is now 5. We have to calculate the waiting time. W means, it is W means, I am telling you here, W means waiting time of the process so far, means as per the time slot. Time is now 5. So 5 is the time when it's arrived. It's arrived at 2. So far it is waiting 5 minus 2. That is the waiting time. Plus S means the burst time. What is the burst time here? That is 3. So I will take 3, divide by 3. This is the response time for P2. Now response ratio, response time not response ratio for P3. P3 will also be same like that, 5 minus 2 plus 2 because burst time is 2, divide by 2. Response ratio of P4 will be 5, time slot is 5, the arrival time is 5 here. So 5 plus burst time is 3, divide by 3. So here you are getting 5 minus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 by 3, that is 2. Here you are getting 3 plus 2 divided by 2 means 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Here you will get 5 minus 5, 0, 3 by 3, that is 1. So out of this, which one is highest one? 2.5 is the highest one. So who will next? P3 will come next. This is the way you need to solve. So P3 is coming next here. So I am taking here P3. P3 will complete the task. P3 is coming. P3 burst time is 2 here. So it will complete the task till 7. Now time is 7. See, this 2 is done. Now till now P2, P4 and P5 is remaining. These 3 processes are remaining till now. Now in this situation you have to calculate as per the time slot 7. Again response ratio. So now we will calculate time slot 7. As per that, response ratio of P2. What it is? Same way, 7 is the time slot now. When P2 came, time 2, burst time is 3, divide by 3. Response ratio of P4. What is the response ratio of P4? Time slot 7. Arrival time of P4 is 5 minus 5 plus burst time is 3, divide by 3. Response ratio of P5 will be 7 minus 6 plus 3. 3 not here, it is 1. Burst time is 1, divide by 1. Okay. So here you are getting burst time 1, that's why divide by 1. Now what is going on here? 7 minus 2, that is 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 by 3. This is, you will get what? 2 plus 3 means 5 by 3. Here you will get 1. So 2 by 1. This is coming, right? Yes, as per the time slot 7, you are getting 7 minus 2 plus 3 and this is coming. Now see which one is highest now. You can tell me which one is highest. Actually this is coming what? This will be 2. This will be what? 1 point something. This will be 2 point something. No need to do exactly. It is 2 point something. So definitely P2 is the highest one. Obviously P2 will be the highest one. So I am taking here P2 now. P2 will complete the task, that is plus 3 means 10. Now see, is it required to do again as per time slot 10? Not required. Because why? In the time slot 7, already P4, P5 arrive and you have already calculated the response ratio of P4, P5. Out of that you already saw that P5 will be the highest one because 2 point something. If you are doing also, you will get the same thing. Means actually P5 will be highest. For P4 it will be like 10 minus 5 plus 3 divided by 3, and for P5 it will be 10 minus 6 plus 1 divided by 1. So definitely P5 will be the highest one. So you will do here first P5 then P4. So P5 is taking 1 unit of time, means 11. After that P4 means it will be 14, right? So now this calculation I will erase and I will go to the next. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone, because here we have to now fill the table. I hope response time is clear to everyone. Now I am erasing this part of response time because we have to fill the table now. This part only I am erasing. Watch carefully so that you can understand everything. Your concentration is very, very important always. If you are concentrating, then your concept will be clear. If you are not concentrating, then you cannot understand anything. Okay, nowadays question level is going high. So as per that only you have to prepare yourself. So now see, here we will do completion time. Here we will do turn around time. Here burst time, and actually we have to calculate another thing also. Burst time not, actually here we will do waiting time. Everything I am calculating so that you can understand it. And what is the response time, that is also I will show, because everything will be clear. And actually it was asking that weighted turnaround time. In the question you see that it was asking you what is the weighted turnaround time. Weighted. So we need to calculate that also. Weighted turnaround time. We will calculate everything. So one by one I will fill the table. Completion time of P4 is 14. Completion time of P5 is 11. Completion time of P2 is 10. Completion time of P3 is 7. Completion time of P1 is 5. What is turnaround time? Turnaround time means completion time minus arrival time. So completion time is 5 minus 0, that means 5. 10 minus 2, that means 8. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means 5. 14 minus 5, that means 9. 11 minus 6, that means 5. So you got the turnaround time. Now quickly I am solving weighted turnaround time. After that I will do this, because those who are in hurry, you will see the answer and you will go. Those who want to understand what is waiting time, what is turnaround time, how to calculate average, everything we will calculate. So first let me complete weighted turnaround time. Weighted turnaround time means we will do turnaround time divided by burst time, nothing else. Actually weighted time we will do turnaround time divided by burst time. So turnaround time I am getting here 5, burst time I am getting here 5, means 5 by 5, that means it is 1. Here 8 and here 3. So I will do 8 by 3. Here 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Here I will get 9 by 3. 9 by 3. Here 5 by 1. 5 by 1. So it is 5. 3 3s are 9. This is 2.5 and this will be what? 2.1 something, like you can see that 6.2 you are getting. So 0.0. So 3 6 are 18. So it will be 2.66 or something, right? You will see that here 2.6 and all. So 2.6 you can take. Near about value is enough for you. So you can get it now total. What is the total turnaround, weighted turnaround? 3 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you add these all values. 13 and here 5 plus 6, so it will be 11. So means 1. So 14 point something. Answer will come here. Here you are getting 2 point this. Why? Because here you will get 14 point something total. If I am adding these values, just see that I am doing in front of you so that there will be no confusion. You should not get any confusion. You will add here 1 plus 2.66 like that, then 2.5, then 3 plus 5. So here actually 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 13 and 0.6 and 0.11. So it will be 14 point something. I am not doing exactly 14 point something. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So what will be my value? Divide by 5 if I am doing here 5 2s are 10, then 4, then point something. So 2 point something. Closer value, because why I am doing closer value? With that you will get the answer. Here your answer is, if you come to the option, this is not your answer, this is not your answer, this is not your answer, definitely this will be your answer. Without calculator, whenever you are solving, then you have to do by closer. With calculator you can solve, you will get the exact value. Definitely you will get the exact value with calculator whenever you are doing. I am doing without calculator, and how to solve it in exam hall, that is I am showing. That's why I am going with closer values. So you are getting here 2 point something. It will be the answer. So ultimately average weighted around time, it's clear. Now see how to do waiting time. I will solve completely, then I will go. Waiting time is here turnaround time minus burst time. So 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. Response time. Response time, what is called response time, you know. Response time and waiting time, actually it will be same here because of non-primitive version. Response time is getting clear in primitive version. Response time means when the process is getting chance in the CPU for the first time minus arrival time. Actually it will be process 1 get chance at 0, arrival time 0, so that's why response time will be also 0. P3 get chance at the first time, that is in 5, and here arrival time is 2, so 5 minus 2 will be, here it is P3, right? P3 is 2, so that's why 5 minus 2 is 3. P2 is getting chance at 7 and P3 coming at 2, so it will be 5. Here P5 getting chance at 10 and arrival time is 6, so it will be 4, and this one is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6. You are not getting any difference in waiting time and response time because it is non-primitive version. In primitive version, whenever you are doing round robin algorithm or primitive priority algorithm or SRTF, like shortest remaining time fast algorithm, then actually waiting time and response time, you can get the difference. Definitely try to do it. Response time means when it is getting chance for the first time minus arrival time. Got it? So I hope this is clear. The highest response ratio, how to do, and how to do average turnaround time. Just do the addition and divide by 5. Let me know in the comment section what will be the average turnaround time. And average waiting time means add these all values and divide by 5. That will be your average waiting time. So be careful about the question. It was weighted turnaround time. That's why you are getting here answer 2 point something. If you are adding turnaround time divide by 5, you will get different answer. average waiting time also you will get different answer. Answer is this one because it is asking you weighted turnaround time. I hope it is clear. So definitely know in the comment section, and those who are till now thinking I will subscribe or not, if you are watching in YouTube, please do subscribe. Okay. Bye. See you soon in my next class.